Take 35, action. This Asian woman has a big box of prawn chips here, at least that's what we call them in Australia. $6 it costs, and what is a prawn chip before it's cooked? It's a little plastic disc. It's recycled plastic. It's good for the environment and good for your body. How good is it? Well, it's half oil, and here's the oil. That's the other ingredient. Put the oil in a pan, because you can't cook it in cold oil, although you could try. It'll take a lot longer. Probably wouldn't taste as good. It's a very healthy dish, this one. It's the only food sponsored by the Chinese Olympic swimming team. There's a fact that you can look up on the internet. You put some fire under the oil and just wait for it. Talk about it, gesture this way and that, and then a few minutes later it will be hot. Don't put your fingers in to find out if it's hot. Put in one of those little plastic discs. It should probably be faster than this, but it's doing something. This test subject has just passed the test, barely. Look at that. Now you know what I'm talking about. Oh, prawn chips. We call them, I don't know, what do you call them? Shrimp crackers? That's a guess. Shrimp chips? Anyway, you can make more than one at a time. That's heaps more efficient. A heaps better use of your time. What's that, 6 or 7? Don't do too many though, because you'll be too busy and then some might burn. You might start a fire, some, I don't know. Unless you're really good at it. I mean, if you're good at it, maybe go for it. Go crazy. Now have a look at this technique. One little strange spoon thing into a strainer above the oil. And see the oil dripping down? Because you don't really want to drink that. And then into a metal bowl, which is not the serving bowl, while she puts some more in with the other hand. Look at that. Using all of humanity's 2 hands at once. Boy, that's actually a lot more than she did the first time. I can't even count that many. Keep going until you've got enough to feed your gluttonous family or friends. As you can see, these are all the same color. You can get different colored ones. If I'm not mistaken, pink restores health. Green, mana. Yellow is for, like, I don't know, tech. Look at that. Nice and quick. A quick meal, although I probably wouldn't just eat that. And back into that. That's a good technique for saving the oil and sort of not having puddles of oil in the serving bowl. Okay. I'm not sure what she's saying here. Give it a shake. That gets off even more oil. Oh, look at that one. Touch them with your fingers. Hey guys, I made some chips. I touched some of them. See if you can guess which ones. There we go. If they don't cook all the way, sort of push them down into the hot oil. Ooh, we can see she's made quite a few. That took literally minutes. And she's recovered all this oil for use later. 1,000 uses that oil. Give me a massage with the prawn chip oil. You ever put these on your tongue and just like they kind of stick to your tongue and dissolve? What's it taste like? You know what it tastes like. What does it sound like? That sounds nice, doesn't it? Anyway, don't burn yourself when you're making this, and thanks for watching our video.
是油炸的东西。OK， 谢谢看我的电影，拜拜。